Hi, real estate agents. This is your lovely loan officer, Dawn Connors, and today we're going to be talking about inspections, repairs, and addendums. Specifically, we're getting addendums over that reference the home inspection or repairs. This is a huge problem. Why, you ask? Because when your addendum reduces the sale price or adds in seller concessions and says due to repairs or due to the home inspection, it causes the underwriter, the chief, the judge to say, we want more data. We want to see that home inspection. Oh, it's due to a roof needing to be replaced? Okay, well, we need to get a roofer out to the house to see, does it have 2 years of remaining roof life? And that goes for both FHA loans or conventional loans, folks. So please don't shoot the messenger. We've been in lending for 21 years, going on 22 years, and I've worked for multiple different banks. So this isn't just a mortgage one policy. I'm telling you, I've been brokering, I've worked for different lenders, and we have all said the same thing for years. So please, real estate agents, don't get mad at us when we get this addendum and we don't want to submit it to our underwriter because we know it's going to cause kickback and problems. Instead, we're looking for an addendum that just reduces the sale price, that just gives concessions without the reason behind it. If you start giving the reason behind it, you're opening up a can of worms. And then you're wondering with other banks why they're asking for a roof inspection or a basement inspection or mold testing, or asking for the inspection report. You think it's no big deal and you get mad at us, but the truth is it's a big deal and it's causing problems. So you can either listen to your lender and know the right way to go and what is going to be the easiest path of least resistance, or you can send in those addendums, have attitude, and insist that they go to underwriting, but you will have the consequences of more inspections and potentially having your deal die by the wayside. 35% of all deals nationally die for one reason or another. I do not want to be in that statistic, so please let me help you by giving you the path that's of least resistance. I hope you have an amazing day. Please share this out with other real estate agents, especially who've been in the business maybe less than 5 years, because I'm finding that those agents that are giving me the kickback are the youngest in the business. Thank you for watching.